In this lesson, you'll learn the keys to creating video without breaking the bank, with careful planning, creative resourcing, and smart video editing. Let's hear from Mike on how he used video to support his goals.
Some of the videos I've used and have been successful haven't necessarily reflected directly the brand. And I think if you're going to use video, you've got to be prepared to, think a little bit outside the box. Something that's going to tweak interest from the public, something that's going to generate clicks, anything that's going to be slightly quirky or off the wall. I had an old video that I had in Africa where a colleague of mine, another pilot, jumped overboard with a parachute. And that's a little bit unusual, not directly relating to brand, but it's something that's going to generate clicks. And if it generates interest and clicks, it's going to drive traffic to the website.
The first step to creating video on a budget is to plan your content. Remember, videos can be entertaining, they can be educational, informative, and everything in between, as long as they reflect what your company stands for and furthers your business objectives. Let's say you're a food blogger and you want to add video to your site. You'd like to use it to showcase your culinary tastes and talents and increase your subscriber base. You might decide to do a cooking demonstration in one video. In another, you'll tour a kitchen of a popular local chef. And in the third, you'll stage a recipe contest. By planning ahead, you can shoot several videos at a time with less effort and fewer resources. To outline the content for each video, use storyboards. Now, storyboards are visual plans of your story, showing what will happen scene by scene, including action and dialogue. Once you've got the content of your video planned out, it's time to think about production. Now, producing a video on a budget means that you're going to have to be a little bit more creative with resources. Not long ago, you would have had to hire a crew and rent a studio and pay a small fortune for equipment before you even began shooting the video. Now, all you need to produce a video is your mobile or a laptop's built-in webcam, or a high-def video camera if you or your friend happen to have one, and basic video editing software. Some computer operating systems include that for free. There are other factors to consider. You can save time and money on finding props, actors and locations by asking yourself a few questions. Can you find props at home, among friends or in a charity shop? Do you know someone else who is secretly longing to be in front of the camera? Can you use your home, your office or recreational areas as a video location? Once you've planned your videos, arranged your sets and booked your crew, now it's time to film. A steady camera plus good lighting and sound can make all the difference. Here are some key points. Any high-def camera will do, whether on your mobile or an inexpensive digital camera, as long as you keep it steady with a tripod or other stabilizer. Consider using an external microphone for high-quality audio. Make sure the room is well lit. When it comes time to edit your footage, you can find online tutorials to guide you. A variety of video editing tools such as iMovie, Windows Movie Maker or YouTube Video Editor can help you edit and combine videos, build smooth transitions and even add music. Little tweaks in your editing process will give your videos a more professional feel. Now, making videos is not only a great marketing tool for your business, it's also fun to do. So embrace the chance to tap into your creative side and show the world what your business is about. Remember that a tight budget doesn't have to limit your video content. With advanced planning, a little practice and some creative resourcing, you can make a scene without breaking the bank.